Hello and welcome back to another nail video. For today's video, I'm using one of my favorite acrylic colors, Cover Cherry Blossom by Young Nails, as well as their monomer and my size 12 Penna Kolinsky brush. I pick up my first large bead of acrylic by tapping my brush in the powder 3 times, then placing the bead towards the free edge. I clean the side walls and use the belly of my brush to guide the acrylic down the nail. I place my next bead directly above the first. I clean my side walls, but this time, using the tip of my brush, I gently feather that acrylic down so it blends well with my first bead. And I just continue to work my way up the nail until I reach the cuticle area. I pick up a small bead for my cuticle area and I place it in front of the cuticle. Then I use the tip of my brush to push the acrylic back so it's flush with my natural nail. And I decided to add one more small bead of acrylic to the tip of the nail because it was a little thin. And I just repeat the same steps as before with my pinky. And one thing I've learned about doing nails and getting better, just like with anything, if you want to get better, is repetition. So like the more you repeat the steps, the better you'll get. So just keep practicing and hanging in there and you'll get better. Another important factor about nails is the product you use does matter. I definitely have some favorites so far, such as Young Nails, obviously, Mia Secret, and Not Polish. Those brands have been my go to as of lately because they're all very easy to work with, and it really doesn't matter your skill level. If you're a beginner or an expert, you won't have any problems using these brands to complete a nice, cute set. Also, you want to keep a clean brush. That'll just help with a smoother application process and save you time because you don't have to wait and soak your brush in acetone to try to get rid of that acrylic. So I make sure that I constantly wipe my brush to keep it clean. And these are how the nails look after application. And I'm using my 80/80 grit file to shape the nails. And although my shaping has gotten 100% better, I still struggle with shaping, y'all. And I think for me personally, it's harder to shape my own nails than a client's nails. I don't know. But if you have any tips or suggestions on how I can improve my shaping, please leave a comment down below. And for today's design, I'm mixing red gel polish from Lavender and this glitter polish from Roslyn, which I love. I use it a lot because it's just so pretty. And I polish my pinky and middle finger with these colors. And after 2 coats of polish, I'm going right in with my red gel liner brush from Beetles to create this circle design. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of the infinity sign, but I was inspired by a look I saw on Pinterest, so shout out to that tech. Thank you for the inspiration. And I'm using Mia's Secret clear acrylic on top to give the nail that sweater nail look. Using that same gel liner brush, I'm creating 2 red leaves on the nail in the top and bottom corners of the nail. And of course, I am topping those leaves off with that glitter that I love so much, and it turned out so pretty. And these are how the nails look. I love them. I think they're so cute. I love the golden red combo. I think those colors complement each other very well. I just have to think of a name for this set. So, if you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.